Wealth demands boldness, clarity, and decisiveness. The wealthy don't live by the same rules as everyone else. They rewrite them. Picture yourself 3 years from now, living in your dream home, running a business you're passionate about, and enjoying financial freedom. This journey won't be easy, but the rewards will be worth it. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's dive into the 10 brutal money rules that can transform your life. Be ready. Some of these will challenge your beliefs, but that's how growth begins. Number 1. Treat money like a game. Money isn't a mystery. It's a game. Every game has rules, and the better you understand them, the more likely you are to win. Think of it like chess. The goal isn't to move randomly, but to think strategically and plan your moves. Wealthy individuals didn't get rich by accident. They studied the rules, made calculated moves, and played smarter than everyone else. They understand concepts like leveraging assets, compounding investments, and creating multiple income streams. Start thinking of your financial life as a game where each decision, investment, and risk moves you closer to the goal. Are you playing to win or just avoiding losses? Shift your mindset and start strategizing. Number 2. They focus on ownership, not income. People chase higher salaries but fail to invest their earnings. The effect? They remain dependent on their job for survival. Rich people understand that income alone won't make you wealthy. Ownership does. They invest in stocks, real estate, and businesses, things that grow in value and create more wealth. Start building ownership. Buy shares in companies, invest in real estate, or start a small side business. Even small investments compound over time. Owning assets creates financial freedom. Staying in salary income keeps you trapped. Number 3. Small losses are good for big wins. Here's a brutal truth. If you're afraid of losing, you'll never win big. Most people play it safe, avoiding risks at all costs. But those who succeed understand that small losses are part of the journey. Think about investors. Venture capitalists often fund 10 startups knowing 7 will fail, 2 will break even, and 1 will deliver massive returns. This same principle applies to life. Every loss teaches you something invaluable. What works, what doesn't, and how to improve. Stop seeing setbacks as failures. Start seeing them as tuition fees for the school of success. Number 4. Don't chase money without purpose. We all want to make money, but here's the catch. If financial gain is your only motivation, you'll burn out. Chasing money without purpose is like running a race with no finish line, exhausting and aimless. Find your deeper purpose, because that's what will keep you pushing through when things get tough. Ask yourself, what's your why? Is it to secure your family's future, break free from a 9-to-5, or make a meaningful impact on the world? When your motivation goes beyond money, every setback becomes a lesson instead of a defeat. So don't just chase cash, chase impact, freedom, and fulfillment. Money will follow. Number 5. Saving alone won't make you rich. Saving money is important, but saving alone won't build wealth. Saving without investing is like trying to fill a tank with a trickle of water. It takes forever. As Robert Kiyosaki states in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Why it matters? Because your money's growth depends not on how much you save, but how much you let it compound. Start with index funds, SIPs, or even fractional real estate, but start. Stop thinking about how to save $5 on coffee and start thinking about how to make $5,000 in new income. Number 6. Run in a top speed. In the race for success, hesitation is your worst enemy. How many times have you hesitated on a great idea, only to watch someone else seize it? Time is a finite resource. If you waste it, you can't get it back. Jeff Bezos famously makes decisions with 70% of the information he needs. Why? Because waiting for perfection costs too much. Acting quickly doesn't mean being reckless. It means being decisive and willing to adapt as you go. The faster you move, the faster you learn, and the faster you uncover new opportunities. Remember, speed wins. Number 7. Battle with a plan. Without a plan, you're adrift. Successful people don't wake up wondering what they'll do. They already know. They've planned their day with clear, actionable steps that move them closer to their goals. Set specific tasks, not vague intentions. Don't just say, work on my business. Instead, write down actionable steps like contact 3 new clients or finish outlining the proposal. Each completed task is a win, and those wins compound over time. So, what's your battle plan for tomorrow? Write it down tonight and attack your day with purpose. Number 8. Monetize your passions. The rich know how to turn what they love into profitable ventures. Many people dismiss their passions as hobbies, never exploring their earning potential. The effect? They miss opportunities to create fulfilling and lucrative careers. Identify your passion, research how others are monetizing it, and take the first step towards creating a side hustle or business. Passion fuels persistence. Profit follows passion. Number 9. Be fearful when others are greedy. Warren Buffett's famous quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful," isn't just about investing. It's about thinking differently from the crowd. During economic booms, people often make rash decisions, pouring money into overhyped trends, but the savvy investor stays cautious. Conversely, during downturns when everyone is pulling back, the wealthy see opportunity. The 2008 financial crisis created countless millionaires because they saw value where others saw risk. Learn to think independently. Don't follow the herd. Create your own path. Number 10. Take responsibility for everything. The final and most brutal rule: take responsibility for everything in your life. If you're not where you want to be financially, it's on you. Blaming external factors won't change your situation. Only you can. This mindset shift is powerful. When you own your successes and failures, you gain control. No more excuses, just action. Take charge of your life and watch how quickly things start to change. You need to think differently, act boldly, and embrace challenges. The journey to wealth isn't for the faint-hearted, but if you're willing to step out of your comfort zone, the rewards are extraordinary. I know that success comes from consistent learning. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more transformative tips. As always, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.